At sunrise, the journey of a billion-dollar snack quietly begins. Precision farming turns soil into opportunity. Every movement is designed to protect the crop. Human eyes still matter in modern farming. Quality control begins before the factory. Scale is everything in global food production.
Each batch is tracked from this moment onward.
Data guides every harvest decision.
The supply chain starts moving immediately. Weight determines yield, profit, and planning. Traceability is non-negotiable. From soil to system, the transition begins. Speed matters when freshness defines value. Volume turns harvest into industry. This is where transformation truly begins.
Farming hands over to manufacturing.
Timing keeps the line alive. The raw harvest now enters the industrial world. Inside the perimeter, logistics take control. Every step follows a mapped path.
Flow prevents bottlenecks in billion-dollar systems. Measurement ensures accountability.
Data drives decisions instantly.
Traceability protects the entire chain.
Clearance is granted.
This is the threshold of transformation. Precision avoids waste.
Safety locks every action.
Gravity will do the rest. Controlled force prevents damage. The handoff begins. Volume meets velocity. The factory takes possession. Every batch leaves its mark. Transport ends where processing begins. Beyond this point, nature meets machinery.
Scale defines modern food production.
Every utility supports constant motion.
Human oversight never leaves the process.
Data flows as constantly as the product. Efficiency begins with alignment. Even movement protects quality.
Visibility ensures consistency.
Clean air supports clean processing. Order prevents error.
Separation protects people and product.
Preparation begins before processing. Isolation controls environment. Even moisture matters.
Timing is calibrated to the second.
This is the official starting line.
The system now takes over.
Next comes the first true transformation. Cleaning begins at industrial scale.
Dirt is stripped away in seconds.
Motion replaces manual labor. Waste exits before value continues. Cleanliness unlocks consistency. Moisture is controlled, not removed. Visibility prevents contamination. Density sorting removes hidden threats. Size determines destiny. Nothing goes to waste. Vision systems see faster than humans. Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Automation is always verified.
Quality is corrected, not assumed. The line prepares for transformation. Uniformity is engineered.
Cleaning is complete.
Now, form begins to change. Shape is where identity begins. Orientation defines precision. Steel meets starch. Consistency is engineered, not guessed. Microns matter at scale.
One crop, multiple products.
Water prevents damage and sticking.
Excess starch must be removed.
Moisture is managed precisely.
Preparation protects texture. Shape defines premium value. Different cuts demand different care.
Separation ensures purity.
Stability protects the next stage. Heat will change everything.
This is where structure shifts.
Time and temperature define texture.
The core transformation is complete.
This is where chemistry takes control.
Precision heat replaces raw structure. Clean oil protects flavor and safety. Transformation begins instantly. Time replaces guesswork.
A single degree changes everything.
Stability keeps quality consistent.
Color sickness completion.
Balance defines texture. Moisture is reduced, not destroyed. Even drying prevents breakage.
Color is currency in snacks. Flavor enters the system.
Uniformity defines brand identity. Waste is engineered out. Heat must settle before precision.
Temperature stabilizes structure. Stabilizes structure.
The product is now defined. Automation takes over where speed matters most.
Even flow prevents costly interruptions.
Every gram is calculated.
Decisions now happen digitally.
Machines replace hesitation. Problems are solved before they appear. Precision protects profit.
Speed never sacrifices control.
Automation still verifies itself.
Standards are enforced silently.
Buffering keeps the system alive.
Harmony is engineered. Cleanliness never pauses. Humans supervise, machines execute.
Automation hands off to precision.
Control is never lost. Detail defines the final product.
Now perfection is refined. Precision begins where speed slows. Order improves consistency.
Standards are enforced twice.
Perfection is engineered.
Loose elements are eliminated.
Flavor is tuned, not guessed.
Accuracy protects every package. Errors are corrected instantly. Stability preserves structure. Balance defines mouthfeel.
Timing protects packaging.
Human eyes confirm perfection. The finish is near. Separation ensures accuracy.
Many paths become one. Precision hands off to scale.
Timing sets success. Every batch must prove itself.
Before packaging, proof is required.
Randomness ensures honesty.
Testing begins immediately.
Moisture defines texture.
Oil balance must be exact.
Color signals consistency.
Crispness can be measured.
Safety is non-negotiable.
Cleanliness is verified scientifically.
Numbers decide approval.
The batch is cleared.
Standards never bend.
Oversight never sleeps.
Quality hands off to logistics. Approval unlocks scale. Testing is complete. The final stage begins. Proof now becomes product. Scale demands precision at the finish.
Packaging begins before filling.
Accuracy protects every brand promise.
Every gram is confirmed.
Freshness is locked in. Traceability follows every package.
Safety is verified one last time.
Automation accelerates distribution.
Protection continues beyond the bag.
Order defines logistics.
Stability protects the journey. Storage prepares for demand. Time pauses under control.
Get the truck to Bay 3 now. Distribution follows the clock.
The product leaves the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce potato snacks from start to finish.
Billions of servings begin here.